So we are going to now demo the clip tool. All right, so we've been talking a little bit about how the clip tool for vector data works, how it differs conceptually from intersect. So let's see what that looks like on a practical level. So here I have the boundaries of all the municipalities in Southern Ontario. Okay, these are in the black outlines. Okay, so here's Guelph, City of Guelph, Kitchener and Waterloo, Cambridge, so on and so forth. And I also have the locations of farm fields growing annual crops, things like corn and soybeans. So what if we want to know, where are the corn and soybean fields in the City of Guelph? All right, we can see them visually. Whoop. We can zoom in. But what if we want to create a data set that is exclusively that? Well, we can do that by clipping it out. We can use this outline to clip out only the farm fields within the City of Guelph. It's like we're making cookies and we're using a cookie cutter to cut out the dough. So let's see what that looks like. First thing, we have a layer here that represents all city boundaries in Southern Ontario. We want to get the one that's just Guelph. So we know we can do that by selecting attributes. So we're going to select our attributes from the boundaries layer. We're going to base that on the legal name. Okay, we're going to choose Guelph and we'll select it. And you can see that it's been selected here. Now we could create a separate layer that's only Guelph, and that would be absolutely fine. We could use that as a cookie cutter. But this actually will work just fine to just leave it selected. So as it's selected, we'll go to geoprocessing and we'll choose clip. It's going to extract the input features that overlay our clip feature, i.e. the boundaries of Guelph. So we'll input our farm fields, our annual crops. These are the features to be clipped. And we're going to use the boundaries layer as the features used to clip the input. Now, they are based on different geographic coordinate systems. For our purposes, that might make for some errors, not significant. We'll plow through it, but generally you should be sure that your data are based in the same datum so that they assume it can be matched, their coordinates can be matched. Okay, we're going to output it, and there are some options here we can choose that for our purposes we don't need at the moment. So we will run that clip. Again, it's down here. Oops. Clipping. All right, and it says it's done. It gives us this little error because again our geographic coordinate systems are not in the are not matched to one another. It's not really going to affect our results at this scale. We'll zoom into the City of Guelph and see that we have a new layer representing only those farm fields within that boundary. Okay, so we can symbolize that a bit better. Turn off those other crop fields, and there you have it. These are the fields within the City of Guelph growing where farmers are growing annual crops. Now we can open up this attribute table, and we see that we only get the attributes from the annual crop layer. We've seen this before. We saw this attribute table when we looked at the annual crop layer for the intersection analysis. We are not getting anything from the boundaries layer when we create this clip. We are just getting the annual crop layer. All right? Nothing from the boundaries is added. That is what distinguishes, in part, an intersect analysis, or a clip analysis, excuse me. So that is how we clip data clip vector data in ArcMap.